Alphacam milling for manufacturing. Leading cam solution for milling from 2-axis through to 5-axis programming. Waveform roughing strategy is a high-speed machining technique that maintains a constant tool cutting load by ensuring the tool engagement in the material is consistent. The tool path moves in a smooth path to avoid sharp changes in direction, maintaining the machine tool's velocity. Alphacam's emphasis is to provide our customers with maximum productivity, reliability and flexibility. Renowned in the CNC manufacturing industry for ease of use, Alphacam can program any CNC. Alphacam Mill offers roughing and finishing strategies for 2.5D parts, complex 3D surfaces, STL and solid models. Workplane support for machining centers with 4 and 5-axis indexing capability is made simple with Alphacam. Import options for DXF, DWG, IGES and a variety of solid model formats ensure seamless integration with your CAD system. Alphacam's advanced solid simulation with full machine build means that applied toolpaths can be verified before reaching the machine tool. Alphacam is essential for maximum machinery efficiency and optimum production output.